How to use Capital One Shopping. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply download the application of Capital One Shopping from the App Store or Play Store and then open it up. And this is how it will appear. Now over here on the home page, you can see your personalized deals. You can select any of the deal and purchase it. And if you are looking to book a hotel, then just simply click on this option of hotels at the bottom, and here you just need to provide the location of the hotel where you want it, your check-in and check-out dates, the number of guests and the room, and then click on this option of get offers, and this way a list of offers will appear. Now just select the offer and avail it. This way you would be able to book the rooms. And in case if you want to purchase something using a particular category, then just simply click on this option of search at the bottom, and here you can find various categories. Just simply select any of the category that you want to use in order to purchase different items. Suppose you want to go with the apparel, just simply select the category of apparel, and here you will find different coupons for different brands. Now you can select any of the coupon. Suppose I wanted to purchase something for Nike, I will be getting 4% back. So when I click on this particular coupon, I will be getting the details of this particular coupon. So let's wait for it, and this is how it will appear. Now you can see all the terms and conditions and click on this option of activate and shop. Now this reward will be activated, and just shop the way you normally do and you would be given rewards for that, and that's how you do it. Just simply click on let's go and check out all the products related to this particular coupon and purchase them, and that's how you do it. Now let's get back, and this way you can select other coupons as well. You can also search for any particular product at the top, and after that select the option of products instead of stores, and this way you would be able to search for different products and purchase them, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.